Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add alternating raw color in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this fill color option and here you will find this alternating color option. Click here. Now you can select a default alternating raw color option and see this. You can add this one. Also you can change alternating header color and see this, and send color and see this. Yeah, and another also you can add alternate raw color. Proceed, select format option and select alternating color option. Here also you'll find this. You can choose here alternating raw color option. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.